Hey everyone, this is Dan with True North Motos. Just wanted to go over the 2024 WR450 dual sport kit. This is very similar to the 23 and prior and installs all the same besides a couple little differences. So we're going to talk about those. The 2024 WRs now have a map switch and kill switch integrated into one. So we do not send a kill switch jumper wire and get rid of that on the bars. That's going to stay. Instead of using the Euro or the CEV switch, we've been using our T&M billet switch that we build in-house. It's a lifetime warranty, serviceable if there's ever an issue. So we're gonna jump to the rest of the kit. This is gonna be your turn signal harness. This connector right here is gonna plug into the harness where the old taillight plugged in. These two connectors are gonna go to the all-in-one taillight. The 2 position is for turn signals. The 3 position is gonna be your license plate light, ground, brake light, all that good stuff. The rest is gonna run to the front. That's going to be for your flasher relay right here. That's going to be a lower connector on the switch right there. The turn signal lead with the red wire is your right. The one with the purple wire is your left. This guy is your rear brake pressure switch connector for the Nissan rear brake pressure switch. We also make a front brake pressure switch and adapter harness that's available separately from this kit on the website. Other components is going to be the headlight connector. So on your bike, you're going to unplug your headlight, plug this in instead. This is the new headlight plug giving you high-low. This is going to go up to the other connector on your switch, and these are your horn leads. Your horn, obviously, and then in the back, there's a new design on a wire guide for the 24 WRs. So this guy is going to sit in here, and you're going to feed the wire and snug it all the way in there. It's going to exit and go around the side of the fender behind the left rear number plate. For hardware, you have the 3 bigger, longer bolts. Those are going to secure to the under fender or the rear fender where the old taillight went. And these 3 bolts right here are going to be your wire guide bolts. Otherwise, it is exactly the same as the 23 and prior WRs. There's a full detailed install video on our YouTube channel and on our website if you want to check that out for further routing and instruction. Just wanted to make a quick video to discuss the differences in case you guys had any questions on it. Thanks for checking it out.